If you are a reverse mortgage broker or a loan officer who can do reverse mortgage deals and you are absolutely tired of chasing cold leads, buying live transfers that won't work or just chasing the unqualified dead leads, this video is for you where I'm going to show you the top 3 proven ways this year 2025 and moving forward that can bring you new leads, new appointments of qualified seniors who are looking for reverse mortgage program on autopilot. And again, these are not just theories, these are the proven ways which we are currently working with our own clients and keep on testing every single day. So I know this actually works. This over here is, basically I practice what I preach kind of thing. So I know the stuff work. It's just about implementing the right way. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you that the 3 ways on how you can get qualified reverse mortgage leads in 2025 and moving forward. So who am I? My name is Vivek. I'm from MAG Media, where we help reverse mortgage brokers like yourself to get 3 to 5 new closed deals every single month using something called as reverse deal flow system, and we help them to install in your business and get you deals consistently every single month. So why I know this actually works. Now, before I go over here and talk about the whole 3 steps, I want to share some results with you as well, so you can see exactly what we can bring on table for you and the results we have been delivering for all the clients. Now you see over here, this is a reverse campaign we have spent. The cost per lead was 12.8 bucks. 44 leads we have got over here. This campaign was getting at $8 per lead. Over here, we got around $17.7 per lead. So we have done some changes in the campaign and cut the cost to like what, 70% over here. So that's exactly what we can bring over here with results. Again, a 174 reverse mortgage lead at 15.3 cents. And if I talk about the appointments, this is one of the client calendar over here with reverse mortgage, and this is just 1 month calendar. You can see with over 30 plus appointments we have got for him with people who are qualified and coming directly to him without chasing them anyway and just booking them in his calendar and just talking to them right now as well. Over here again, we have the list of appointments with the mortgage leads that we have been bringing for the client itself. Again, over here, every single day we are getting 7 to 12 to 20 leads with reverse mortgage just using our 3 proven ways that I'm going to show in today's video. So what is those ways, Vivek? First of all, webinar. Webinar has been, I think, for millions of years, to be honest. I mean, this is one of the thing, which has worked in the past, when there was no internet, and still it works if you know the right way. So what exactly you can do in the webinar? So first of all, webinar is a great way, as I mentioned over here, to create the trust and educate people. With a loan program like reverse mortgage, where we have a lot of myth around it, webinar can be one of the best thing you can do for the prospect to educate them and bring trust. Seniors don't like salespeople, they like people who can give them more value. And this webinar strategy can be the game changing if you can do the right way. Okay. Now, how you can automate this? I could probably make a new video about this because it can be a whole new topic. But I use Go High Level to automate my webinars, and basically it's like a 30-minute to 40-minute webinar, which I designed for my clients, for the audience that we bring in, basically. And it's helped us to pre-sell, create more trust, and then confirm them into the appointments over here. And this is the structure that we use for my clients, to build their own webinar that works and convert and bring them like 3 to 4 new deals every single month quite easily. So let me just quickly highlight this right now. Yeah. So first of all, in the best winning webinar, like you see around the whole world, people who spend millions on webinars and people who spend like few $100. This is the exact strategy that works for them. Hook, authority, education, case study, and call to action. The 5 steps funnel that you can build inside the webinar will convert. Hook basically is about, the biggest pain point reverse folks have, people who are seniors, they have, confused about reverse mortgage option this year, or want to get retired basically with reverse mortgage and with more equity, with more money. Just make sure you have, something as a pain point or problem mentioning on the hook. authority, who are you and why can you help? You know, share your stories, share the results you have got, share expertise around your reverse mortgage niche, or just like, any other niche you have with the mortgage. Just show them who exactly you are as a person. Third is education. This is the part where you can cover not very deeply, but just like, overall, like 3 myths or how it works. Like, just pick one topic and explain that, in the webinar, like 3 myths or how it works, or like, cash out example, and then bring on with case studies. Case studies and testimonials bring more trust. Just make sure, understand, people can trust you more with your education that you provide. Now you have something to back it up, like your results, your case studies, to build the authority even much stronger. So use that part. The fifth point over here is call to action, where you can basically have a call to action to get people confirming into the appointments or just joining your group. Whatever you have as a call to action to offer, you can use that, and it works extremely well on that part. Now, of course, a quick tip over here: use simple slides, stories of people, something emotional that you can actually indulge in, because people will connect more with the stories that you already have. And then a strong call to action works extremely well than any DM or generic lead form campaign. So use that thing, and you will definitely get results with the webinars as well. Number 2 is YouTube organic content. I already have mentioned in my previous video I have made this week about how can you use YouTube to get more inbound leads and close 3 to 4 new deals just by putting out 2 to 1 video every single week on YouTube about reverse mortgage. So go check it out. But this is the kind of a quick thing. First of all, YouTube is where your ideal audience is there. Their kids are there, their caretakers are there as well. So it's a great platform to put out content just to get in those people's eyes. Great way. Second, upload videos like how-to videos, case studies, stories, breaking out the myths, the pros and the cons. This works extremely well. Now, YouTube can be a great way to rank a video, because to just give one example to you over here, I have one client, reverse mortgage broker right now, who's working with us, who's posting content on YouTube as well. He just mentioned me last night that, Vivek, I closed 2 deals that came after, like, I have put out a video of 6 months ago. A 6 months ago video he have made. 2 people reached out to him last month and they both closed. Like a video he have made 6 months ago. Imagine that. Like, if you have a campaign that is going on for 6 months and you are not doing close deals from there, it's kind of rare you will do that. But YouTube videos, free of cost, you have made it out there, and after 6 months you have closed 2 deals. I mean, it's a good ROI, right? I mean, to be honest. So that's what YouTube can bring for you. Even the longest video you have made, like, quite a long ago, maybe 6 months, a year back video, those videos will still perform and get results for you even when you sleep. That's the power of SEO and the YouTube you can bring on while just putting out content. So yeah, do watch my video I have made last week. I will drop the link in the description and check it out. All right, the last thing is, which is paid ads. Now, a lot of people have mixed feelings, while running paid ads. Of course, first is you have to put your money on the ads before you see results. This can be the one thing. But again, a lot of people actually have got bad results with paid ads. There can be 2 reasons. First, maybe they have tried on their own and they have failed on it. Second, they have worked with some agencies who really don't have any experience about reverse mortgage or how the thing work, and they have launched a campaign and got no results. That's the only 2 reasons it can be, because paid ads can be a great way to scale it. So suppose you are doing 1 or 2 days per month using YouTube and using webinars. It's actually a great way to leverage both things, webinars and your YouTube, to get more audience and get more people coming down and signing up for a webinar or your YouTube videos, watch that and convert them into the appointments. It's a great way. So use that. I basically use 2 main ways over here. The first one is directly launching the ad for a landing page and getting leads there and converting them into appointments via having the automation and my AI agents to call them. And second is having a webinar and a YouTube upscaling to use that in place, like I mentioned over here, that you can use as well. Running the ad campaign to get people registering for webinars, and then launching weekly webinars for a group of audience like 100 people or 200 people every single week on a Zoom call. It can be live, it can be pre-recorded. I don't really like the version of where you have a pre-recorded version of webinars. Always do live, for like 20 or 30 webinars, and then once you know exactly kind of questions people have and the kind of things people have, then you can use automation in place to just launch webinars every week without you giving them like a live version of it. So yeah, webinars is a great way. Run the ad campaign, get people listening for webinars, and then use your YouTube to create more trust, build more authority, and basically have a call to action to get people on the call with you, or just book appointments directly on the same webinar. This is the best way, and of course, leveraging this three is the best ultimate way to, be at that 4 to 5 days per month. And the same thing we are doing for our own clients. Again, if you're interested to work with us, we help our clients basically to build out the entire same structure that I have shown over to you. We help them to build their automation with webinar. We help them create a YouTube channel as well to post our videos constantly every single month and get more lead from there. And then also place the ad automation, the go high levels, the funnel, the landing page built up to help them get at 3 to 5 new deals every single month with reverse mortgage. So if you're interested, the link is in description. Go ahead, confirm the call with me. If not, you can also join my free Facebook group, which I mentioned on my bio and also in the about section. Go ahead, join the group, and I'll see you next one.